is Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow my business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck, VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Let me just get this shared out. If you see this and you want to do it as well, please feel free to do so. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay in the comments and join along with me, even if you are on the replay, and I will play along too. Oh goodness. There we go. How's everybody doing? Yeah. Today we are doing unboxing. This guy is he open? Oh, I need your X-Acto knife because we didn't pre-cut stuff. I don't see where you put it. Oh no! We literally just used it. Alright. Don't try this at home. Well, you can. I'm only kidding. Although, I might not want to try this at home. I'm dangerous with things that are sharp. There we go. And then we gotta do this big one. This is our, what do they call this one? So it's two-sided. It is our double-sided box frame, size 6 by 18. And it's got brown on the one side and white on the other. I love these. And I have two of them. I'm not going to open the second one right now, just because. We have our new catalog, and this is going to be our last catalog that is going to be in print. Soon you'll be able to print or order right off the website with a clickable catalog. We have a couple of transfers that I grabbed. Oh jeez, I'm gonna end up making this fall. I'm trying to get other stuff. I need those transfers that you just took, I want to show all the transfers. Okay, so let's go from small to big. We have Trust the Timing of Your Life. This is our A transfer. I have another one right here. It's Above All Things, Love. Then we have Joyful Easter Blessings. Try not to get the glare here. Enjoy the Little Things. That's all of the little ones. then we've got the joyful Easter blessings that I just showed you. I'm getting all confused. The way I'm holding everything, I'm like, what have I shown him? What haven't I shown? Then we have Nomies. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the comments right now. I'll go back. Nomies. Then we have Happy Ever After. I really like that one. It's really pretty. Then we have, the bunnies. I didn't end up grabbing, I was dumb. I placed my order and then never grabbed the cutouts. And I realized it after I placed the order. So we can put these on anything. So that's a good thing. It's not a waste that I did that. But I realized after all of that I didn't grab the wooden pieces. All right, and then, I'm going to show the Club Couture in a minute, but I want to show you these new pastes. They're sparkly. Sparkles. This one is Shimmer Orchid. Shiny. Okay, I don't know if you're going to see all the shiny, but it's shiny. And then this is the Shimmer Eucalyptus. You know how much I use eucalyptus. And that one's a shimmer of eucalyptus. Probably not the best, but that's okay. Now, stay. Jeez. I've never fought with a box so much in all my life. And then our Club Couture. I don't have enough space on anything to have it all open. It has to stay in the box. Because the whole box is just on a footstool. And not everything would fit on footstool without the box. So this is Home Sweet Home, Farm Fresh, Simply Blessed. I swore that said fat local. It said eat local. But I swear I only saw part of the letter. I was like, fat local. What in the world? No. Oh. Turn him right side up for the little farmhouse. I think this one's really cute too. So I hope you all enjoyed it. We're going to start doing some of these in the next few days. I know I haven't been live much the last while. I haven't been feeling great, and all the things are getting busy. So I will get better at being live again, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.